Hi, hello, this is your Lucky sir. I am back with your JEE mains paper. JEE main 26th shift 1 means morning shift. As usual, this is memory based, may not be all questions covered. Order and everything may be different. First question: which of the following is responsible for the secretion of pepsin? And the answer is histamine. Memory based, completely memory. Arrange the following species in the increasing order of their bond order: O2 minus, O2 minus 2, O2, and O2 plus. This is a repeated question. Okay, now O2 minus, O2 minus 2, O2, and O2 plus. Just to see the number of electrons, you can say easily. O2 minus 1 electron extra, 17. O2 minus 2, 18 electrons. O2, 16 electrons. O2 plus, 15 electrons. As I told you, after 14, the bond order you decrease by 0.5. You can see my past videos. This is 16 to, this is 1.5, and this will be 1. Here the values are also given. You can check. The shortcuts you can see in the past papers also. I have given the shortcuts, so we don't waste much time here. This is the best one. The increasing order of stability of +1 oxidation state in group 13 elements is group 13 general electronic configuration is Ns2np1. The lower oxidation state stability down the group decreases. Down the group it will be decreasing, and down the group it will be increasing. +1, so it is the answer. Thallium must be maximum. Here you can see, here also thallium is good, but aluminum is here. Aluminum generally shows +3. And the logic here is very simple. Down the group, lower oxidation state stability increases. Very simple question it is. The correct order of melting point of group 16 elements is, it is again easy. Down the group, the melting points will be increasing, in general increasing. If any exception is there, that may be small exception, but you can see oxygen is a gas, so it must be least. And there is only one option with the least, that is oxygen. Okay, oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium. Slightly here, tellurium is greater. This is according to NCERT. So this is a P block question. Fine. Coming to which of the following alkaline earth metal has the highest melting point? That award goes to, highest melting point award goes to beryllium because of small size. Okay, now the values are also mentioned here. No need to remember the values. Melting point is generally for alkali metals and alkaline earth metals. Top element is maximum. A plus alkali gives rise to B, where B is an oxyacid of phosphorus with no pH bonds. Okay, so this is from NCRT P block second year, that is class 12. There is a nitrogen oxyacid table is there, from that it is taken. Nitrogen phosphorus table is there, from that it is taken. See, the logic is very simple. Red phosphorus, when this is treated with alkali like sodium hydroxide, it gives you this compound. Okay, now here OH, and OH, 4 OH groups are there, and when 4 OH groups are there, there is no pH bonds. That is the question asked. So here the answer is red phosphorus. Completely memory. There is no logic in this. Okay, now thank you Vedanta for providing this question paper. Thank you so much. V2O3, V2O5, V2O4 calculate the magnetic moment of the most basic. So here two things are there. First of all, lower oxidation state is basic, higher oxidation state is acidic, the intermediate oxidation state is amphoteric in general. Okay, now this point is there in D block. You can check again NCRT statement. So lower oxidation state, that is basic, V2O3. So vanadium oxidation state is +3. Vanadium means 4s2 3d3, +3 means 2 electrons gone from here, 1 electron will go from here. Vanadium +3 means it is 3d2. 3d2 means, you can say easily, that is nothing but 2 unpaired means 2.8 Bohr magnetons. Or you can say root 8 is nothing but, you can show like this. So option this one. Which of the following has maximum enol content? I think when you are discussing about enol, your sir gave this example always. Okay, this one, because this will turn into this OH, this part will become OH, this part will become OH, and this becomes aromatic. Maximum aromatic character, so enol. Enol is stable here. In this case, you can expect this kind, but nothing special about this. Here also same thing, some conjugation you can expect here, but nothing special. Here also you can expect this kind, little bit conjugation, but this is aromatic. Aromatic dominates, so this is your answer. The intermediate in the given reaction is C7H5O2. This is C double bond O, benzoyl peroxide it is. And peroxides always gives you, there will be a homolytic cleavage, and because of this homolytic cleavage you can see C double bond O dot. This is the free radical, which is the intermediate, this intermediate, and later it will go in the form of carbon dioxide, and this is formed C6H5, means this kind of group is formed. Okay, so see here, these are the options. We don't require options. This is benzoyl peroxide, it will be forming like this, and carbon dioxide is out. Now this is another question which is again very interesting. This is magnesium bromide, ethyl magnesium bromide, it is like Grignard reagent. So this part, this is minus charge, this is minus charge, this minus charge is coming and attacking here, this minus charge coming and attacking here, this will go like this, simple. So it becomes here CH2, here CH2, this will become OH, it will become OH. Very, very simple question. Don't confuse with this. Now here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 members are there. 5 members. At these two positions there are two OH groups. And there only you can see there are two methyl groups also. So your option is. This is your option. 5 member 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 member ring. OH groups are there, and the same methyl groups are there. We did the same thing. You can check. Okay, so easy है, ज़्यादा तकलीफ तो नहीं है. This is not sort of, if you have prepared well organic chemistry, that is very easy question only. Which of the following is produced in the stratospheric clouds? Stratospheric clouds, you can see there ozone holes, depletion of ozone layer. Direct question from environmental chemistry, easy, class 9th standard question. If the Bohr radius of third orbit is R3, then fourth orbit is R4, then the relation is, okay, these are the options given. The answer is very, very simple. R is equal to 0.53 into n square by z. Means R is proportional to n square and inversely proportional to z. So atomic number is same. Then you can say, because hydrogen atom only mentioned, so both cases hydrogen atom only, so there is no need to take this one. R is proportional to n square, R1 n1 square, R2 n2 square. You can say this is directly equal. R1, in place of R1 you take R3, this is 3 square 9, this is 16. So R4 is equal to 16 R3 by 9. सीधा question है, ज़्यादा तकलीफ नहीं है, but you should know this relation. Without this relation you can't. And this relation you can find in atomic structure, basic concepts. So from my idea, this is moderate type, actually easy only for the students who are preparing well, and for remaining students you can say moderate, because you need to remember this formula, but regular material question only. And on electrolysis of HSO4 minus, compound is formed which on hydrolysis. So this is little interesting. HSO4 minus on electrolysis gives H2S2O8 and hydrogen peroxide. Okay, HSO4 minus gives you H2S2O8 and hydrogen. So this is given in hydrogen peroxide preparations. And hydrogen peroxide dihedral angle is asking in solid state. Okay, so this is memory based, 90.2. Okay, now solid state. In gaseous state the angles will be different. So this is present in NCERT, and I think it is memory, because remembering the angles is always memory based. Yesterday I was asking a question to my students, what is the angle uh, in amines, I think. Trimethylamine. What is the angle? 108. So similar to that one. Weight of this is an interesting question. Weight of evacuated glass vessel is 40 gram. Weight when a liquid density 0.95 gram per ml is 135 gram. When gas is put 0.82 atma, 250 Kelvin, the temperature weight is 40.5 grams. Then find the molar mass of the gas. Data is, because of this, as this is memory based one, data may be here and there. The question framing will be, but he is asking molar mass. So you can go for PV is equals to weight by molecular weight into RT. This is the formula. Or PV is equal to nRT. Pressure is given. This is the pressure. Temperature is given. This is the temperature. And volume you can find from the density. So that job he has done here. So weight of liquid 135 minus 40, because vessel mass is 40 gram. From that it is taken. So volume of the liquid is equal to density is equal to mass by volume. So volume is equals to mass by density, that is nothing but 100 ml. 100 ml means 0.1 liter you can say. And PV is equal to nRT formula. Pressure, volume, N, R value is known to you 0.0821. Temperature is 250. So they got the number of moles as this is number of moles. Number of moles is 1 by 250. And mass of ideal gas is here, one line is mentioned. The weight is 40.5 and the overall mass is 40 grams. So the difference is just 0.5 gram. So the mass is 0.5 gram. Then how much it is? Or you can use this directly. That is PV is equal to weight by molecular weight RT. Also you can use. From that also you can get this one. Pressure is 0.82 into 0.1 is equal to 0.5 by molecular weight into 0.0821 into temperature 250. You will get the same answer, no doubt. Little lengthy, but you can do it. Okay, now you can do it. An organic compound when reacts with dilute HNO3 produces two isomers A and B. Okay, now intramolecular hydrogen bonding. B possesses intermolecular hydrogen bonding with same compound reacts with concentrated HNO3 produces strong acid D. Okay, so the strong acid is OH, NO2, 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 and he is asking how many oxygens are there in this. So as we strictly confine to NCERT, so this question taken from NCERT, dilute HNO3, two acids means orthonitrophenol, paranitrophenol. These two compounds are not considered as acids, but when it is taken with concentrated HNO3, 2,4,6 trinitrophenol, picric acid. Okay, now as it is strong, even though there is no COH group, it is called acid. So here, two oxygens here, two oxygens here, two oxygens here, one oxygen is here. So total number of oxygens will be 7. Little tricky because you need to know the concepts. This is about the memory based questions what we got from Vedanta. Thank you, Vedanta sirs, and we'll meet with the remaining once if we get the complete paper. Thank you all. Just follow my channel for more updates. More question papers are to come. This is a Sunday morning session. Sunday afternoon I need to upload. Monday morning, Monday afternoon, then Tuesday papers. So much to come. Okay. Follow me. Okay. Follow lucky and be lucky. Right? Bye. Thank you all.